everyone, this is Aishwarya Lai from Tiju's Academy. In order to make your IELTS speaking much more effective and appealing, it's always better to come up with certain idioms while you speak. So today, in order to make your IELTS speaking a better one, we are going to discuss certain idioms related to books. So let's discuss these idioms one by one. So the very first one is closed book. She is a closed book for me, which means something you accepted has completely ended. Moving on to the second one, that is an open book. This is an exact opposite of closed book. She is like an open book for me, which means she is very easy to understand because she doesn't keep secrets. So the third one is read someone like a book. I can read her like a book, which means understand so easily what the other person is thinking or feeling. Fourth one is all the trick in the book. Her actions are like all the trick in the book. It is used to describe dishonest action that is done by the someone, and you already know about it because it has been done multiple times. And the final one, by the book. It is used to describe someone who is strictly following all the rules and laws and regulations. So that's all for today. This is Aishwarya once again. Thank you.